Never has the line between work and life been so, well, blurred as it is today. And because of that, most of us need to have technology that can work for both. Well, here it is, the new XPS 13 2-in-1, designed to do it all on the Intel Evo platform. This is a versatile 2-in-1 for a hybrid lifestyle. Hi everyone, Nick here, and in this box I have technology's solution to your multidimensional life, the new XPS 13 2-in-1. And as always, it's worth mentioning the 100% recycled or renewable packaging that itself is also 100% recyclable. The luxurious inner box and sleeve is an indication of what's inside. Take a look at the 2-in-1, it's gorgeous. I particularly love the slate color that we have here. Here's the AC adapter, a USB adapter which allows you to connect to older USB ports. Plus, here is the optional XPS stylus that magnetically attaches to the 2-in-1 and the optional XPS folio that is a keyboard and stand, and I'll show you those in action shortly. Okay, back to the XPS 13 2-in-1. This color option here is slate, whilst the other is sky. It's lightweight and comfortable to hold, weighing roughly 1.6 pounds and less than 3 pounds with the keyboard folio attached. There are 2 Thunderbolt ports and a fingerprint reader here on the power button. This model comes with 5G conductivity built in, so you can work or play anywhere with high-speed data connections. It features a 13-inch display with 3K resolution, high brightness and vivid colors. With Windows 11, it's so intuitive to use. The touch functionality is very responsive and accurate, but you can get even more precision with the XPS stylus. The optional XPS stylus is precise and responsive. It feels great in my hand. The practicality of attaching on the top of the display for recharging ensures it is always ready to use and you never leave it behind. Okay, now let me show you how you connect this with the folio to turn it into laptop mode. So simply pick it up and connect the magnets at the bottom here with the folio. It really sturdily clicks into place. And then you've got 2 options here. It can either be used as a carry case like so, or if you want to use it into more of a work mode, you simply line this back here and it balances like that, which makes it absolutely perfect for you to go straight into laptop or work mode. The XPS folio transforms it into a laptop. This gives you the full functionality of a keyboard with backlit keys, a touchpad, along with a protective cover. And now let's move on to the cameras. The world-facing camera is 4K, 11 megapixels, and perfect for shooting quality video and taking high-resolution images. While the front-facing camera is 1080p, which is better for video conferencing, and it has Windows Hello face recognition built in. The new XPS 13 2-in-1 not only provides great versatility, but great performance thanks to the Intel Evo platform, featuring the latest 12th gen processors. It has up to 1 terabyte of solid-state drive storage, 16 gigabytes of memory, as well as a long-lasting battery. The line might be blurred between work and home, but one thing is crystal clear. The new XPS 13 2-in-1 is your one-stop solution for being productive, creating, connecting, streaming entertainment, anything that inspires you. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you do the classic 2-in-1 combo, like and subscribe down below. XPS fans, 2-in-1 fans, Intel Evo fans, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. And as always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.